In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Welcome to my channel, Basic Learning with SS. Dear, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified about upcoming videos. This is the third video of 10 series. I am trying best to teach English grammar in a way that is understandable for all the students belonging to different levels. In previous video, we discussed about form and function of present continuous tense. In this video, we will discuss the form and function of present perfect tense. Many students must be familiar with this tense, but some students get confused. So after watching this video, their confusion will definitely get clear. So let's get started. We use third form of verb and has, have in this tense. He, she, it or singular noun go with has and third form of verb. For example, he has completed the assignment. And the negative sentence is he has not completed the assignment. To form negative sentence, we add not after the helping verb. And the interrogative sentence is has he completed the assignment? To form interrogative sentence, we place helping verb at the beginning of the sentence. Dear, why we use has in all sentences? Because the noun is singular, he. So when the noun is singular, we always use has with third form of verb. I, we, they, you or plural noun go with have and third form of verb. For example, they have visited the market. They have not visited the market. Have they visited the market? Come to the function of this tense. This approach is attached with this tense that it is used for the completed action. It is, but it has many other functions too. Let's discuss that. We use this tense to indicate completed actions or activities in the immediate past, and we usually add the word just to indicate that the action occurred recently. For example, she has just gone out. We have just returned. Come to the next function. We use this tense to express past action whose time is not given or not definite. Means when we are not sure about the timeline of any action, we discuss under this tense. For example, we have never known him to be angry. Here is no definite time period, so we discuss under this tense. Mr. Sam has been to Japan. We are discussing that Mr. Sam went to Japan, but in which year he went to Japan, at which time he went to Japan, we are not sure about any time period, so we are discussing under this tense. Come to the next function to describe past events when we think more of their effect in the present than of the action itself. Means when the effect is more prominent than the action, we discuss those actions with the help of this tense. Come to the example, I have cut my finger. Now the finger is cut, but the effect is that maybe the finger is bleeding or it has bandage. The next sentence is I have finished my work. The effect of this action is that I am free, I can go anywhere because my work is completed. Do remember, when the effect is more prominent than of the action in the present, we discussed under this tense. Come to the last and next function. To denote an action beginning at some time in the past and continuing up to the present. It means at some time we started an action and it is still continue. We discuss that action under this tense. They have known him for a long time. We know that they have known him for a long time, but this action started at some time and it is still continue. The next sentence is we have lived here for 10 years. In this sentence, we are discussing that prior 10 years we started living here and still we are living here. So all the actions which begin at some time in the past and still continue the present we discussed with the help of present perfect tense. I hope you understand the concept, the form and function of this tense. If you have any query, do comment below and stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thank you.